side, side, side.
Very special people who have actually put this together. So for starters, I want to thank and recognize the fantastic support that we've got from Ajay. I mean, he's an amazing actor, and I think, yeah, a big round of applause to him. We then have Inder Kumar ji and Ashok ji, who actually are the ones who put their shoulder to the till, and they've really, really worked hard. So big round of applause to them also. And then we have such an amazing ensemble cast. Now, aap sab jante hain who the cast members are. Each and every one of them is an actor par excellence. Ab aap imagine kariye when you put all of them into one room, what happens? And that is when you get total dhamal, the wildest adventure ever. So it's my privilege to now let the other people come on board.
Absolutely, sir. Let's not forget the animals that are all involved in it. I think this is going to be quite a spectacle. आपके जो actors हैं, in fact, मैं जावेद जी ने, I just met him a week back. He said कि comedy is the toughest thing. No matter what you do, लोगों को लगता है बड़ा easy रहता है. And this is what you sort of specialize in. So, you know, look like a very serious person all the time. Every time I meet you, मुझे लगता है कि पता नहीं कैसे बनाते हैं ये. So what is this, that funny bone inside you? क्या है जिसकी वजह से you get the perfect timing every time?
Ask my wife.
Very rarely will people say, ask my wife for the opinion. Huh? They'll like to keep it to themselves mostly. But what is it? So, अगर आप मुंह मियां मिट्टू नहीं बन सकते, what do you think that is so special about Inderjeet that he gets it perfect every time, you know, as far as these kind of films are concerned?
You all not aware of him. I think he was a great comedian in Gujarati films. I think the funny bone comes from there, because always personally he's always been a funny guy off the screen.
But I think it's working. I think because the trailer, we can't wait for it, sir. Please do have a seat. I'm going to show the trailer to you guys right now.
I would like to call on stage Anand Pandit ji and Markan Adhikari ji.
Yes, we're going to,
with us. Markan ji, Anand ji, please come on.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
We'll do collective
Kumar
photo
ji,
ops in the night after this
please
anyway.
आइए. And Sangeeta ji कहाँ है? Sangeeta ji?
Actually, yeah. Yeah. We're going to do this photo op a little later, so just do a quick one shot. मैं बाद में तो वैसे ही करवा ही रहा हूँ. ठीक है?
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Please have a seat, gentlemen. Ah, Sangeeta, there you are. Okay, okay, one sec. She's come. The ladies come on stage, so we'll finish this up, right? Yeah. Okay, light again, please, gentlemen. Uske baad I'm going to play the trailer for you guys. Okay, let's have a seat, gentlemen. And Sangeeta ji will just play the much-awaited trailer. And as is always norm, I shall play it twice in case you miss it the first time. Don't worry, it'll play again. So just put the backdrop down, please. Adri ji, together, please. Anil sir. Anil ji. Yeah, there you are, sir. He's getting a perspective from the back. Ma'am. Yeah, okay. Arshad sir. Aye on stage. Javed ji, sir, where are you? There you are. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We keep it going. Baman sir. Johnny Lever sir. Pito Bash. Where are you, gentlemen? Kaise ho, sir? What a pleasure. Badhiya, sir. Okay, I'm now going to stand and give... Can I have the mics for everyone, please? Yes. Okay, one by one, let me just give all the mics across, please. We'll play Pass in the Puzzle, sir. One. We go a little ahead. Aap udhar chale jao, no problem. There you go, sir. I think we've covered everyone. But I got a little surprise for you. 50 crore ka jo game hai. First of all, I'm going to ask a little question to the crew also and the cast. How many zeros there are in 50 crores? But usse pehle, me and how it excites everyone, I thought it thoda sa khali lag jayega if we don't have money on the stage also. So ladies and gentlemen, let's have a little shower of money right here, right now in this big theater. Where's the shower? Where's the shower? We're going to look up somewhere. There we go. Yes, you can check if it's real. Uske baad you can decide to take it forward or not.
ऊपर से कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
साइड से आ रहे हैं सर, साइड से. और पहुंचते पहुंचते जो जरूरी लोग हैं उनके पास ही रुक रहे हैं. हमारे पास नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, all as souvenirs you can keep it. यही वाले same जो notes है ये बाहर भी हैं in case you go outside. There's lovely little crystal maze there. All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Gentlemen, that was a fantastic promo, sir. और 50 करोड़ का जो क्वेश्चन है सर, पहले मैं अजय सर आपसे पूछूंगा कितने जीरो है 50 करोड़ में सर? हाँ?
8 है.
अजय साहब मुझसे पूछ रहे थे, मेरे वाला मुझे भी नहीं मालूम.
50 करोड़. जावेद सर कितने हैं?
आई थिंक अजय को ज्यादा मालूम है क्योंकि 50 करोड़ ले रहा है आजकल.
नहीं, मैं कभी जीरो नहीं गिनता. जीरो गिनने की आदत नहीं है.
But it's right. This is fantastic. Since the mic is with you, Ajay sir.
8, I think.
8-0. 8 zeros is the right answer. You'll want 1 before that. Actually, you'll want a 10 before that, Inderji. And that's the beauty of it. Ajay sir, are you happy with the promo? You know, a lot of the times when the trailer comes out, one gets a little nervous just to figure out if everything has gone as it is. Oh, yeah. You've seen it. I know you had an immediate reaction. What do you think about it? Perfect.
Of course, I'm very happy with the promo. I mean, I'll be happy if everybody else is happy, if they are happy. So let's ask them what the reaction is.
Yeah, yeah.
आप लोगों को पसंद आया तो हमें पसंद आया.
हमें सर आपकी एंट्री अभी 1 महीने पहले बहुत पसंद आई थी सर. आपने जो सिंगम में जो धमाकेदार एंट्री दी थी, आई थिंक एवरीवन बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. इट वाज फैंटास्टिक.
सिंगम नहीं थी, सिंबा थी.
Simba, same thing. For us, it's Singham only. But you know, the thing is, you have this grand entry with all these big vehicles always. This is always there in your life. यहाँ पे भी बड़ी गाड़ी, बड़ा plane. वहाँ पे भी बड़ी गाड़ी, बड़ा plane. All these things keep happening.
पहली फिल्म में, फर्स्ट फिल्म में मैं बाइक पे आया था
जी.
उसके बाद गाड़ियाँ बढ़ती गई.
यहाँ पे तो plane भी आ गए पीछे. I don't know if you're in the plane or not.
सन ऑफ सरदार में मैं घोड़ों पे आया था.
अच्छा घोड़े वाह. We go back and forth, we cover it. The lady is standing right next to you, ma'am. Such a pleasure. You're looking so fantastic once again.
Thank you.
And the gentleman standing over here, sir. We did a 10-year challenge of late, but trend हो रहा था Instagram पे. You were trending above the 10-year challenge. Anil ji with a 40-year challenge doesn't matter. It doesn't change at all, sir. First time an actor was trending above a hashtag. So, अभी once and for all बता ही दीजिए, sir. What is the राज?
गाना चेंज हो गया है.
1 2 का 4 नहीं है, 10 का 20, 20 का 40.
But you're coming back with Madhuri ji after many years. You know, it looks like, you know, you all, obviously you can pick up where you left off. Just the memories of coming back on set with her, you know, in a film.
Well, I think more than anything else, I think it's been a wonderful working on this film, and with Induji, Ashok ji, the entire team, and you know Ajay also, you know, has been wonderful. Absolutely, they all have been fantastic producers, and we have a great team. Fox, you know, I have a long association with Fox. It's on 23rd of Jan. It'll be 10 years, you know, and of course, so you know what happens is, the director and the producer are so good, everything just goes. So there was not a moment where there was any hitch in this film. There was no hiccups. Everybody was very, very happy. And we, you know, it was, the whole film has been made with joy, happiness, and what do you call, complete teamwork. Coming back to Madhuri, the question you asked me. Good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's wonderful to see all of you all over here. And well, it is not only me and Madhuri, Madhuri and me coming together. It's Ashok, Indu, Madhuri, myself coming together. So that's, we've had absolutely a phenomenal association. And so to be back, all four of us together, is not only you know, professionally great, which has always been professionally fantastic, but even emotionally. And hopefully we again live up to the expectations.
I think it's already working. Madhuri ma'am, what would you like to say? Has he changed at all as a person, as an actor? Though he only seems to be expanding his repertoire all the time.
I don't think he'll ever change. Good evening, everyone. I don't think Anil can ever change. He'll always be the same. He was the same in 98. से आपने वो डाला था challenge का, तब से लेके आज तक. I think he's 58 maybe. So I don't think he'll change. He's one of a kind, and it's always a pleasure working with him. This film saw me teaming up with my Dil Beta Raja Jodi, Indu ji and Ashok ji. And I'm working with Ajay also after a long time. We're in one frame together after Ye Raaste Hai Pyar Ke with Anil ji after Pukar. So it was wonderful teaming up with everyone. Even Javed Jaffrey I worked with after 100 days, I think, Javed. And so I think if the amount I have laughed in between shots with all these people around me, I think the audience, even if they laugh half the amount, I think this film is a success then. Because it's been a mad journey for me, and it was wonderful. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
It looks like it's been real fun. She mentioned, Javed sir, you're meeting Anil ji after 30 years on the screen. More than 30 plus years.
Yeah, about 33 years approximately.
That's incredible.
Yeah,
ये reunion हो रहा है of sorts.
I look better.
But you know, I met you recently and you said that this is one of the tougher roles that you've done, that people don't understand how tough it is to do this kind of a role. You know, and they think that ये तो बड़ा easy आ रहा है. So, you know, reprising that role must have been good fun.
No, see, I give all the credit to Induji, honestly, because this man has kept everybody in control.
This reunion, college, school, सारे reunions यहाँ पे हो गए. But once you...
No, it was not a tough thing. They are all very good. They all cooperated very well. And behaved well. Behaved very well. I have to say that.
And I think Induji is, I swear, I think we all can say that, he's the sweetest director we have ever worked with.
गाली नहीं निकलती है. गाली नहीं निकलती मुंह से.
Yeah. And हमने इतने फट्टे मारे इनके ऊपर. He takes it like a man.
Just before I ask them, sir, आपको किससे सबसे ज्यादा surprise किया? पूरी cast में who surprised you the most?
Surprise?
Yeah, like pleasantly surprised. बहुत wow, ये बहुत amazing performance होगा. I didn't expect so much.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता इस पिक्चर में.
ऐसा नहीं होता है.
इस पिक्चर में शॉक होता है, शॉक, सरप्राइज नहीं होता.
सरप्राइज नहीं होता है. एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूँगा. This is like a dream project for me and Ashok ji and everybody of us. And ये एक dream पूरा होने जैसा है. It's like a dream coming true. Getting all these guys together is not easy, but we got them together, and I thank them being together. But I would like to thank Ajay because he got this project together, and it's because of him we are all here. So big round of applause for Ajay, please.
Wonderful. All right, I think I've hogged the mic enough with all the questions. I'm going to open it out to the audience. Yeah.
अर्षद जी, आपके राइट में यहाँ
शुरुआत वहां से always होगी.
हाँ जी, क्योंकि
आप तुम फिर शुरू हो गए यार. तू घर चल मेरे साथ, रोज पूछा कर मेरे को सवाल. तो मतलब प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
500 करोड़ की बात हो रही है ना, तो इसलिए सवाल पैसों
50
से स्टार्ट. हाँ, इसलिए सवाल पैसों से स्टार्ट करेंगे. एक्चुअली आप सभी से जानना चाहते हैं, हॉल में यहाँ जितनी भी 2000 और 500 की नोट है, उसमें आप सभी की तस्वीरें हैं. रियल में जो 500 और 2000 की नोटें हैं, उनमें से कभी आप लोगों ने चाहा कि आप लोग की तस्वीर छपनी चाहिए? ऐसा कभी? अर्षद जी, अजय जी, माधुरी जी, अनिल जी, आपसे भी जानना चाहिए, ऐसा कभी सोचा आप लोगों ने या चाहते हैं?
सिक्योरिटी बुलाओ जरा. सिक्योरिटी बुलाओ.
But you have to applaud him for the creativity in the question each time.
I love him.
Yeah.
कल रात
He
भर सोच के आया
really
होगा.
works hard to come out with the worst questions. I love him.
अजय जी, आप चाहते हैं कुछ ऐसा कि ऐसा हो?
ये एक्शन फिल्में करता है, क्यों से सवाल पूछ रहा है ऐसा?
I think that's the answer. We move to
Nobody
the...
wants that.
बैठ जाना, बैठ जा.
अच्छा इंदर जी, एक सवाल आपसे ये कि ढेरों सारी पर्सनालिटी हमें स्टेज पे दिख रही है. इसके अलावा भी हमें ट्रेलर में हमने देखा कि सोनाक्षी सिन्हा, ईशा गुप्ता और कौन-कौन है, लाइक कुछ एक नाम खुलासा करना चाहेंगे आप? कोई और?
हाँ, बमन जी भी आपने देखा
हाँ,
होगा.
वो भी हम.
बमन जी आ नहीं पाया आज.
Unless आप खाली हीरोइनों की बात कर रहे हैं.
आधे लोगों को हमने जानबूझ के नहीं बुलाया क्योंकि स्टेज का साइज हमें बता दिया गया था.
रितेश नहीं है.
हाँ, रितेश जी.
हाँ, we are missing रितेश, definitely. हाँ, संजय मिश्रा जी भी नहीं है. तो ये 3 जन अभी इस वक्त नहीं है.
और अनिल जी, एक
अच्छा, एक सेकंड
मेरी
यार,
तरफ से
दूसरों को भी पूछने देना बेटा.
जी, ये एक आखिरी सवाल मेरी तरफ से. ये जो स्टेज पे जो आपने एनर्जेटिक डायलॉग दिखाया, मर्द का बच्चा है, तो कुछ एक लाइव दिखाना चाहेंगे हमारे सामने कुछ?
ओ जमूरे गुलाटी मारेगा.
एक लाइन वो हमें वीडियो अच्छा मिलेगा.
नहीं, आजकल मैं कोई भी चीज फ्री नहीं करता. 30-35 साल काफी लोगों के लिए फ्री किया. अब थोड़ा बच्चों को पालना है, बड़े हो गए सब. पत्नी जो है वो डांटती रहती है. बैंक बैलेंस अभी भी उतना ही है जब करियर शुरू किया था. तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ता.
Chalo, we'll take one on somebody. Yeah.
Hello.
Go ahead. The gentleman in the turban over there.